I reached the subtle region to offer a bhog to Baba. As I went, I gave sweet love and remembrance of all the brothers and sisters. The special message of the special souls and those who are connected with them, I gave the love and remembrance to Baba. Baba asked me, "From which country have you come?" I said, "I have come from the corporeal world." For a second, Baba smiled. Baba said that Baba from up above is looking at the children in the form of an angels. And the children from Punjab zone have come and are from cold region, and they stay in that place where there is only snow everywhere. And therefore Baba is seeing each and every one in a form of an angel. In this January month, this month especially is called the Avyakt month, the Tapasya month. Baba is seeing, Baba is touring, maybe this land or abroad. Baba is saying to each one, Baba is looking at the efforts of each children, and especially in the month January, it becomes a sacrificial fire, because the fire of yoga is ignited everywhere. On one side, Baba said, there is the volcanic fire of yoga of your children, and on the other side, there are many things seen. And Baba added, Baba wants to see all of his children being an image of tapasya. They do tapasya, they sit in that interest. And when Baba tours the places, maybe the center, the home of the children, or the Gita Pathshala, Baba can see the waves of fire of yoga. Baba said 2025 year has begun for you children and also for the entire world. But Baba said, for the outside people, it is the new year, but for you children, the new world is coming. When there is the volcanic form of yoga, in between there are many cold breeze passing, and the fire is also ignited heavily. Even physically, the fire is ignited physically. Baba said Baba becomes far-sighted and sees there is the fire even in the world outside. Sometimes it becomes less and sometimes more. But my children who are going into advanced party, what they will do? I said, Baba, you only will open the secrets about it. Baba is saying that my children who have gone to the advanced party, they are also having the hope. They are also sitting ready to have the volcanic form. Baba said, even my children who are sitting here, they are also with their full force. And if Baba blows, then that fire will increase. And according to the time, you children have to remain introverted. And the more you will be away from being extroverted, automatically you will have Baba's remembrance. And that volcanic form of yoga should never reduce. So Baba with a lot of love was explaining this. And then I had already kept a bowl plate in front of Baba. There was the remembrance of many souls. Dadi Rukmini, Sister Prem, I gave the love and remembrance of all of them. Baba emerged those dadis and all of them. And then Baba said, all are my special children. The special children, when they were in the corporeal form, they did a lot of service. And with the power of service, they have won everyone's heart. And therefore, Baba loves those children, and all Brahmin family also loves them. Baba gave heartfelt love and remembrance to everyone, including the children who have come from Punjab zone. And I then came down.